Hi, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. Today is Monday, April 16th, 2018, and I'm on South Cooper Street in Arlington, and we got the building permit. So they have started construction today, actually the demolition for EZ Wash and Dry, and I want to show you this from the beginning to the end. It's about 30 minutes from my office, so I'll be out here frequently driving by and getting updates. We're going in this store. There'll be 60 Electrolux 200 GeForce hard mount high-speed extract washers, and there'll be 33 of the 35 by 35 stack reversing 120 volt Electrolux dryers. So we're real excited about this. It's also going to be an ESD card store. So let's take a look at the building so you can watch the progress as it gets updated. Now, starting back there, we're going to end up having to put the trash bin, the refuse bin, just with a couple of poles to block it from parking or anybody running into it. Got real lucky there. This area back here can just be closed off. And what we're going to do, here's the building. The whole front of this building is going to get wrapped and redone. And you can see the roll-up door in the back. We're going to go about 3/4 of the way down and wrap this building. Now this is Arlington, so there were some specifics. All the HVAC is going up on the roof, so we have to make sure that there's no line of sight. So it's all going to have to be covered. All the vents on the other side are going to have to be covered as well. Excuse me. All right, you can see there's plenty of parking here. Let me turn around. Got my car stuck out in the middle. But there's plenty of parking here. We'll have a sign up here. Now the pole sign comes down based on new city rules, and you'll see a ton of traffic. Now, we'll have to do some vegetation work out here. Not a lot of it. We got lucky based on, there's an entrance over there. So as you come through here, it's a fire lane, so we didn't have to lose any of that land to put in more vegetation. And you'll see there's a handicap. We're going to move that, the gas and the water, and then we'll have a new sign going up here. It won't be a box sign, but a letter sign. And you can see the gas and the water is down on this end. And another view. So let's walk inside and take a look at it, and you'll see it now. And as the construction goes through, it's pretty much ripped down in here. Actually, that's the water closet. They're actually covering that up so they can use it. There was an asbestos removal abatement. A lot of junk back there, no asbestos though. So you're seeing the shell of the building right now. So watch as over the next 10 weeks, we turn this into the 60 washer, 33 stack dryer store that we're hoping to have done. If you have any questions or comments, please give me a call. All my information is on the screen. Look forward to hearing you. If you have any comments, leave them here and I'll be happy to answer your questions. And there you have it. This is the first video of EZ Wash and Dry in Arlington. Thanks.